regardless, I will say Hank did a phenomenal job. Just so you guys know, my body cam's rolling.
Well, look who it is, Old Turtle Boy, and within seconds, he's already fighting with someone in the crowd.
This is just a confusing time to live.
This for John O'Keefe. You better kill a case closed. Back to Brian's one dog cleared out the way. Justice for John.
Morrissey resigned. Morrissey resigned.
Well, check this out. How many faces do you recognize in this picture?
I wish it came Friday when I was on my ADO. We gotta get in the car, guys.
Defendant not guilty or guilty? So say you, Mr. Foreman.
So the next big thing for you must be July 4th, I would think.
Yeah, July 4th, yeah.
Thanks to the various FOIA requests made from our community, we have amazing body cam footage from the state troopers on that very day for which Karen Reed was found not guilty. Let's watch.
Sounds accurate. What's today, June
18th. Tomorrow's a holiday.
18th? Oh, yeah. Yeah.
After observing these state troopers, it's shocking they had no idea that June 19th was a holiday.
It's nuts, dude.
Well, look who it is. Aiden Carney, Old Turtle Boy's best friend, Nikki Haircuts.
No, I know, but when they leave, it goes in the issue.
The DA is going to come out that side door in the next minute. That's the plan anyway. Hank Brennan.
Okay. And Hank?
Yeah. Hank coming out?
Yeah. What's fight Sergeant?
Does he want to go to the side or he wants to come out the front?
He's gonna come over the side. Nunziato, Sergeant Cameron. Morrissey resigned. Morrissey resigned.
They're referring to District Attorney Meatball Morrissey and requesting that he resign. Little did they know that he would be among the many people that would either be forced to resign, get terminated, or permanently leave this earth, all because of this shady investigation.
Morrissey resign! Morrissey resign! Morrissey resign!
Just so you guys know, my body cam's rolling. Just out of courtesy.
It's never shady when a state trooper informs others that their body cam is rolling. Obviously, they do that because they know that they don't want them to say anything that's personal, anything that's truthful or harmful, and it should not be. The body cam should always be rolling. If they need to redact something, do it after, but allowing the ability for these cops to shut off their body cam is a travesty, and it needs to stop.
Talking about our details.
I know, trust me, I know, just out of courtesy. Shut it off. Shut it off. Okay, and I'm telling you not to. Don't be, it's a murder trial.
You have to love the ice cream truck driver from Tony's Ice Cream playing his song right when everyone's waiting for the big verdict.
I understand. It's a murder trial. It's not an ice cream place.
I'm glad you guys are here, really. I can't
Makes one of us.
It'd be like
Which trial did you do?
O.J. Simpson.
OJ? Oh, I thought. No, you didn't.
Huh?
You did not, did you?
Oh yeah, no. I went
really?
to LA to do it. Oh yeah. No, I traveled down.
Nunziato? I think he boxes a little. Yeah. Bevs needs to go. He just goes. Now, this is just a confusing time to live right now. I wish it came Friday when I was on my ADO.
Aw, is it a confusing time for you? Perhaps you should be looking for the real killer,
Brian Higgins,
who killed a fellow officer because he was in love with his girlfriend.
That's sad.
I think he owes me dinner, though. No.
Nunzi said they were all like fucking slimy, they were all crying. That sucks.
They already left.
Yeah, he said they were all like fucking hysterical. That sucks. I mean, obviously. Oh, Jesus.
This is very interesting. I had our editors enhance the audio, and now we can hear the trooper saying that Nunzio, who's a fellow state trooper, said that they were all upset and crying. I'm not sure if he's referring about Karen Reed's team or Lally and the prosecutors and Hen McCabe and the rest of the House defendants. Let me know if you can decipher what is being said here.
Justice for John! Real justice for John!
course, he comes when the cameras come out.
Justice for John! Justice for John! Justice for John! Justice for John! Get the real killer! Investigate the real killer!
Brian Higgins.
Are you even working right now, or are you just volunteered?
Lock up the Albert!
Just being a troll.
It's nice to see how friendly and lighthearted these state troopers are, trolling the new guy with a hilarious joke, asking him if he's working now or just volunteering.
You sit home watching the news, self-active.
The boys need me.
Once you saw them taking the street.
But that's our plan. We're gonna form a circle around her and push everyone out of the way so she can get to her car. I'm asking, yes?
Yeah.
Yes.
All right, sweet. We would be screwed, but Rudy and Kakamo are here, so we should be all set.
They are, honestly, yeah.
Jackson.
They just said 15 minutes until she comes out on the radio.
Just now? No, they did that like 10 minutes ago.
She's gonna answer all the questions right here. You think they're still gonna go wild swarming her? Or are we assuming they're gonna swarm her? You know what I mean?
I think they'll all stay right there where they're at because they got the microphone set up.
Yeah, so we shouldn't have, to walk her out. It should be fine, right? Regardless, I will say Hank did a phenomenal job prosecuting this.
What else can you do?
I thought he did a great job. Hank prosecuting this.
Best as anybody could have done.
100%.
Interesting to hear that Hank did a great job by the state trooper, and he actually did. The real question is, when that trooper said he did the best with what he had, is he really saying that they know that there was no way that Karen Reed hit John O'Keefe with her SUV? Because these guys have seen more car accidents than anyone else in the world. In fact, it's a majority of their job. So they know that in order for someone to actually be hit by a car, they have to have some form of physical ailment, either a bruise or a broken bone. And John O'Keefe had none of them, where he should have had if he was hit by the car.
Come on, let's just get through this, please. I understand. Let's just get through this.
Well, look who it is, old Turtle Boy, and within seconds, he's already fighting with someone in the crowd.
Giotto?
How you doing, Will?
Let me get through.
Let him get through.
Bill, how you doing?
Doing fine. So happy. So thankful to everybody out here.
Well, check this out. How many faces do you recognize in this picture?
Right behind you. Just go right to your car. Thumbs up. They're happy that they're.
And there goes the triumphant Karen Reed. After 2 trials and many long years of fighting, she's finally found not guilty on the major charges with regard to the death of Officer John O'Keefe. Thanks to both these trials and to our community obtaining documents and information, we're now able to pinpoint exactly how, when, and where Brian Patrick Higgins, old Higgy Bear, attacked John O'Keefe on that fateful morning. But no matter what, we will never, ever stop producing these videos until the real killer,
Brian Higgins,
is brought to justice.
Loophole lawyer, we riding for justice. Let's go! We will not stop dropping these facts every week. To Brian Higgins locked up. Justice for John O'Keefe. For John O'Keefe. Simple crime, small spot, short time, few names. One of these 10 did it.
We screaming the claim.
This case was easy, no smoke and mirrors. Small area, quick timeline, limited suspects, no errors. 10 people involved, that's the whole damn crew. Remove the kids in the cage, now we down a few. 3 left standing, Brian Albert. Higgy Bear, Chloe the dog just chilling right there. I didn't do it, I'm a good girl, fact. Chloe innocent, she get a clean pass. We will not stop dropping these facts every week. To Brian Higgins locked up. Justice for John O'Keefe. With John O'Keefe. Simple crime, small spot, short time, few names. One of these 10 did it.
We screaming the clay.
Yeah, now we down to 2 Bryans. Only one the villain means motive, opportunity. That's Higgy chillin', curly on the surface, but violent when it's real.
I kiss gay
Higgy
Jeff.
better one who sealed the deal. Brian Albert, nah, Higgy, yeah, he the guy. We got the facts lined up, watch the truth fly high. No jumping conclusions, we stay patient and cool. Once the evidence hit, damn, it was simple, fool. I didn't do it, I'm a good dog, I didn't do it. Chloe clear,
So instead
now
of you
the
coming
picture
here
crystal
followed by
clear.
3 question marks.
Justice for John O'Keefe. We be right here. Dropping these facts every week. To Brian Higgins locked up. Justice for John O'Keefe. He better kill a case closed. Back 2 Brian's, 1 dog cleared out the way. Justice for John.
We screaming today.
Join Samantha Benino every Monday. Nuno with loophole lawyer, don't play it. We riding for justice, never backing down. Higgy Bear exposed, whole world watching now. Justice for John O'Keefe.
We will not stop.